Welcome to Lean Learning Lane, the place where complex topics are explained simply. This playlist is called Basic Finance, and it's designed for people who were never taught how money really works. Here, we break down money concepts in plain language. No jargon, no hype, and no unrealistic promises. You'll learn how to manage your income, avoid common financial traps, and build habits that reduce stress and increase control. These lessons are short, practical, and evergreen, meaning they'll help whether you're just starting out or trying to fix mistakes from the past. Start with the first video, Why You Are Always Broke Even With a Job, and move at your own pace. Let's make money simpler, one clear lesson at a time. How to budget without feeling miserable. Let's be honest, most people hate budgeting, not because it doesn't work, but because it makes them feel restricted, guilty, and stressed. If budgeting has ever made you feel like you're constantly failing, this video is for you. Today, we'll talk about how to budget without feeling miserable and how to create a system that actually fits real life. Why most budgets fail. Most budgets fail for one simple reason. They're built on guilt instead of reality. People create budgets that look good on paper, but don't match how they actually live. They forget birthdays. They forget coffee. They forget stress spending. And when real life happens, the budget breaks and people blame themselves. The truth is, the problem isn't you. The problem is the system. What a budget is really for. A budget isn't meant to control you. It's meant to protect you. It helps you decide where your money goes before it disappears. A good budget doesn't ask, what can I cut? It asks, what matters most to me? When your spending matches your priorities, budgeting stops feeling like punishment. Start with awareness, not restriction. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to restrict spending immediately. Instead, start with awareness. For 1 month, don't try to fix anything. Just track where your money actually goes. No judgment, no shame. Awareness alone changes behavior because you can't manage what you don't see. The simple 3-bucket budget. To avoid burnout, keep budgeting simple. You only need 3 categories: needs, wants, savings. Needs keep you alive. Wants make life enjoyable. Savings protect your future. You don't need perfect percentages, you need clarity. If your budget is too complicated, you won't stick with it. Build flexibility into your budget. Real life is unpredictable. Some months cost more than others. A good budget expects this. Instead of trying to be perfect, plan for flexibility. Leave room for mistakes. Leave room for fun. A budget you can adjust is far better than one you abandon. Why budgeting reduces stress. Budgeting doesn't reduce stress overnight, but over time, something powerful happens. You stop reacting. You start deciding. Bills stop being surprises. Money stops feeling scary. Budgeting isn't about having more money. It's about having more control. And control brings peace. In summary, if budgeting has ever made you feel miserable, remember this. A good budget works for your life, not against it. In the next video, we'll break down a simple budgeting method you can start using today. If you're finding this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share the video. Lean Learning Lane is all about simple, practical education. one clear lesson at a time.